faculty members at Harvard Law School say they are not surprised about Elena Kagan's nomination to sit on the nation's highest court. Ellen Cosgrove, the school's current dean of students, had this to say about her.
Rock star.
And Cosgrove isn't the only one singing Kagan's praise. Last week, 69 law school deans from around the United States endorsed Kagan's nomination in a letter to the Senate Judiciary Committee's Democratic Party chairman and top opposition Republican. Republican lawmakers say she lacks judicial experience because she has never been a judge, and both sides are unsure of her political leanings. Former Hunter College high school classmate Leslie Hunter Gadsden says Kagan always seemed to be a private person.
It wasn't that you didn't feel that you could be friendly with Elena, because we were, but I think she did keep a little of that, like her private, her really inner self.
Kagan's American history teacher at Hunter, Anna Morello, agrees. She says Kagan takes after her mother, a longtime teacher at Hunter College Elementary School.
Her mother certainly was a teacher who one would not hear maybe political issues discussed.
Kagan and her two brothers grew up in a middle-class neighborhood on Manhattan's Upper West Side. In contrast to her mother's quiet demeanor, her father was an outspoken attorney and activist. Kagan is often called her father's daughter.
She questioned. She was a questioning person, so that I don't think one got away with anything with her.
Leslie Hunter Gadsden recalls Kagan's attempt to change the school's smoking policies.
She had actually gone to bat with the administration, asking one of the bathrooms could be a smoking bathroom, which is a lot of guts for a high school student.
Kagan continued to speak her mind after high school. As Harvard Law School dean, she opposed on-campus military recruiting because of the U.S. military's policy of barring gays from openly serving in the armed forces. She said the military's ban violated the university's policy against sexual discrimination. Alexis Shabakoff is the assistant dean for public service at Harvard Law School.
She was really stuck between a rock and a hard place, between sort of upholding the civil rights of the students who are protected by our anti-discrimination policy and kind of obeying the changes in the legislation.
What supporters say most about Kagan is that she is fair-minded. Current Harvard Dean Elena Cosgrove says Kagan brought balance to the school's liberal faculty by hiring more conservative teachers.
She didn't just hire them, she also did things to really encourage the faculty to interact with each other.
Kagan's professional record outside academia also faces scrutiny. Some Democrats are concerned she is too centrist, while conservatives worry her stances on abortion and free speech will lean to the left. Kagan is currently the Solicitor General of the United States, serving as the government's top lawyer in cases before the Supreme Court. Ruth Reader, VOA News, New York.